Hello and welcome to the first Foxy TV episode of 2022. For the first episode of the year, I wanted to make this episode a big one, but I was needed in the truck this week, so I just didn't have the time to get the footage apart from what you're about to see. But yeah, this episode is definitely still worth watching. We catch up with Jake in the truck for a quick little catch up to see what's on for the first week of the year. On the way to a job where we're going up 31 stories in the middle of Brisbane City to style a multi-million-dollar apartment / penthouse, and Phoebe's going to show us that. And Phoebe also got some footage from that one. So that's basically it for the first episode of the year. Hopefully next week or the week after I can spend more time on Foxy TV. But until then, let's get into it. So Jake, we're back in 2022, first week of the year.
Yeah, midweek, first week. Well, it's busy. For one, we're starting with a lot of installs and pack-ups, probably that have sold or they're settling soon and need picking up. Having said that, there's been a few things we've had to deal with. We've had a couple of people sick, and with COVID and everything going on, we don't want to take chances. So they're at home getting tested and just making sure that they're not spreading anything that they might have. And so today in particular, we've had two people not able to come in, and it's thrown a spanner in the works, but you're with me today, Cody, so we're switching the teams up to make it work, and we've just got to push through. We are headed into the city. We have a penthouse, isn't it, right in the city in Brisbane, so it's a nice big one. It's a big partial. They've got some furniture in there that we're going to use, and we're bringing a full truck as well, so I'm looking forward to seeing it actually.
We are in the Albion building.
Yep.
Albion building in Brisbane, right on the river, level 31. I think we're the sub penthouse here where we are. Doing a three-bedroom three-bedroom luxury unit. Sorry, I should call it that. With our masks on, being very hot. So let's get it done.
So there you have it. There's the first Foxy TV episode of the year. Hope everyone's doing well, having nice holidays or enjoying the first week back at work. That's all we got for you, and we'll see you back here next week.